ReCAPTCHA has over a decade of experience defending the internet, and ReCAPTCHA Enterprise builds on that experience to provide frictionless security for your business. ReCAPTCHA Enterprise is built on the existing ReCAPTCHA API and offers granular insight and detection, allowing you to understand and tune the protection you need for your website. Let's take a look at what makes ReCAPTCHA Enterprise different. There are 3 primary advantages to note here. First, ReCAPTCHA Enterprise provides a frictionless user experience, leveraging advanced risk analysis techniques that distinguish between humans and bots, without requiring customers to complete a challenge. Second, ReCAPTCHA Enterprise offers enhanced detection, with granular scores, reason codes for risky events, mobile app SDKs, password breach and leak detection, multi-factor authentication, and the ability to tune your own site-specific model. And finally, ReCAPTCHA Enterprise provides the support, like the SLAs and SLOs, that you expect from a Google Cloud product. So if you expect a lot from your ReCAPTCHA integration, in usage or in support, or if you want to detect automated attacks or threats against your website that may originate from human actors, mobile emulators, or bot software, then ReCAPTCHA Enterprise is right for you. For existing ReCAPTCHA v2 and v3 users, we've made it a priority to make migration simple. So simple, in fact, that it should only take 2 minutes. First, navigate to your project in the Google Cloud Console. You'll need to enable the ReCAPTCHA Enterprise API. While you're here, be sure to note your project ID. Second, navigate to google.com/recaptcha/admin to find your existing ReCAPTCHA site key. You can find your existing v2 and v3 site keys under Settings. Click the cog icon to open the Settings view, and then expand the section labeled ReCAPTCHA Keys. Copy the site key. To perform the migration, you can use Cloud Shell. Note that your account will need to be either a project owner or have the ReCAPTCHA Enterprise Admin IAM role. A major benefit of using Cloud Shell is that all authentication is handled automatically, as the Cloud Shell instance is already tied to your user account and its existing credentials. However, if this is the first time you run a command that requires credentials, you will need to authorize Cloud Shell first. To perform the key migration, you only need a single command. Run gcloud alpha ReCAPTCHA keys migrate, and specify the v2 or v3 ReCAPTCHA site key you wish to migrate, and the project ID of the cloud project where you enabled the ReCAPTCHA Enterprise API earlier. You should see a confirmation that your key has been successfully migrated. Back in the Cloud Console, we can see our migrated key under Security, ReCAPTCHA Enterprise. Here, we can see analytics and manage the key moving forward. And that is how you can easily migrate your existing ReCAPTCHA v2 and v3 site keys to ReCAPTCHA Enterprise for truly frictionless security. To learn more about ReCAPTCHA Enterprise, go to cloud.google.com/ReCAPTCHA-Enterprise.